Welcome to Doplac CRM, the very first personalized CRM solution for digital agencies. Agencies like marketing, advertisement, design, development, SEO, and every single agency who are selling digital services online. With Doplac, managing your agency's marketing and sales activities has never been easier. Whether it's your website, cloud outreach, social media, pipeline, email marketing, billing, or anything else, Doplac has bring everything in one powerful platform. Under your main agency account, you can create up to 200 sub-accounts to serve your diverse client with unparalleled efficiency and personalization. And the best part is Doplac white label feature. That means you can customize the CRM with your brand colors and elements. You can set your own pricing and sell it to your users or clients as your own SaaS. And the revenue, it goes directly into your agency's bank account, opening up a new revenue stream for your agency. To understand how all the advanced features of Doplac will help your agency, please explore our YouTube channel and join our vibrant community on Facebook to stay informed and connected with Doplac. Sign up today for a 14-day free trial and let Doplac empower your agency's success.